In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slash commands in Zoho Cliq. A slash command is a quick shortcut. You type in chat, starting with a forward slash, to trigger an action or retrieve information. They're great for speeding up workflows, standardizing requests, and keeping your team focused without leaving the conversation. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho site and sign in with your work account. Make sure you're using the correct organization if you have access to more than one, since command availability depends on your org settings. Once you're in, open the app launcher and choose Zoho Cliq. Inside Cliq, look to the top right corner, click your profile picture, and navigate to Bots and Tools. This is the central place for automations, integrations, and custom tools that enhance your chat experience. Next, select Commands. Here you'll see any commands you or your organization have already created. To make a new one, click Create Command. This opens the setup form, where you define what users will type and how the command appears in the UI. Start with the name. This is the word users will enter after the slash, made up of letters only, up to 20 characters. Keep it short, memorable, and specific to its purpose. For example, a name like status or stand-up is easier to recall than something long or vague. Add a hint. This is a brief note that appears as a helper line to explain what the command does, so keep it concise and action-oriented. Then choose the access level. Personal means only you can use it, which is ideal for experiments or private tools. Team lets you share it with specific groups that need the functionality. Organization makes it available to everyone in your company, which is best for broadly useful commands that are stable and well documented. Optionally, upload an image to represent the command. This can make it stand out in suggestions and help users recognize it quickly. Include a clear description as well. Think of this as the longer explanation that covers the command's purpose, when to use it, and any expected inputs. When you're ready, click Save and Edit Code. You'll land in the command execution handler. This is where you define exactly what happens when someone runs the command: fetching data, posting a formatted message, or kicking off a workflow. Use clear logic, handle errors gracefully, and craft a helpful response so users immediately see value from the command. That's it for the setup. With your command defined and the handler open, you're ready to bring your idea to life and streamline how your team works in Zoho Cliq.